Hello everyone. If you have Savaria Stairlift chair, then most likely you know that you can fold, footrest and armrest on these chairs. However, if you have a situation where footrest can no longer hold itself in upright position, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to fix broken spring inside footrest lever. Before starting the video, click on the subscribe button. It takes your 1 second but makes a huge difference for this channel. We start by removing this white piece with the help of Phillips head screwdriver. Remove 4 screws from the lower side of footrest. Do not mess up with any of the switches or wiring here. Remove retaining spring with the help of retaining spring plier. Push the metallic rod to the right and work your way around to take the broken spring out. Compare the old spring with the new spring and make sure that this is the right part before you actually install inside the lever. Clean the area from dust and debris before installing the new spring. Slide the new spring in the silver metallic rod and push the rod to the left in such a way that the two legs of the spring sit on the marks shown by red circle in the video. Install the retaining spring back in its groove. Install the white plastic cover in the front and lower side of the footrest back in its place. And that's how you fix broken spring in the footrest. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video very soon.